When disaster strikes, everyone thinks about food, water, and shelter. But what about the basics of human dignity and daily survival? Today, I'm sharing 8 critical items that most preppers overlook. And trust me, you'll wish you had these when the grid goes down. What's up, everyone? If you're serious about preparedness, you've probably got the basics covered: food storage, water filtration, maybe a generator. But today we're talking about the unglamorous stuff that keeps you healthy, clean, and functional when modern conveniences disappear. These might not be exciting, but they're absolutely essential. Stick around, because number 6 might save your relationships. Let's start with something nobody wants to think about, but everyone needs: a portable toilet. When the water stops flowing, your regular toilet becomes useless fast. A quality portable camping toilet with waste bags isn't just about comfort, it's about preventing disease and maintaining sanitation. Poor waste management has killed more people throughout history than wars. Look for a sturdy model that uses biodegradable waste bags and has a secure lid. The Reliance Luggable Loo runs about $30 and works with standard 5-gallon buckets. Add some lime or sawdust for odor control, and you've got a sanitation system that works indefinitely. Trust me, when you're dealing with a multi-day power outage with the whole family, this isn't luxury, it's necessity. Number 2 seems obvious, but most people only have electric can openers, a manual can opener, specifically a heavy-duty one that won't break. Those cheap manual openers you get at the dollar store will fail when you need them most. You want a military-style P51 or P38 can opener, or a quality swing-away model. Here's what most people don't realize. When the power's out and you're living off canned goods, a broken can opener isn't just inconvenient. It could mean the difference between eating and going hungry. Try opening a can with a knife sometime. It's dangerous and wastes food. A good manual can opener costs $10 to $20 and should be in every emergency kit, kitchen, and vehicle. Get multiple. They're small, cheap, and absolutely critical. Item 3 is a quality portable water filtration system. Not just any filter. You want one that handles bacteria, viruses, and chemicals. Most preppers have some water stored, but what happens when that runs out? Municipal water might be contaminated, and natural sources definitely are. A good filter system is honestly your lifeline to unlimited clean water. The LifeStraw or Sawyer Mini are great for personal use, but for families, you should consider something like the Katahdin Pocket or Berkey Go Kit. These handle larger volumes and more serious contamination. The key is getting one that removes viruses, not just bacteria and parasites. In disaster scenarios, sewage systems fail and water supplies get compromised. A $50 to $200 investment in proper filtration could literally save your life. Number 4, proper water storage containers. Not just any containers. You want food-grade ones designed for long-term water storage. Most people grab random jugs and think they're set. Wrong. You need containers that won't leach chemicals, can be easily cleaned, and stack efficiently. Military-style water cans, 5-gallon food-grade buckets with tight lids, or purpose-built water storage tanks are all good options. The rule is 1 gallon per person per day, but that's just for drinking. You need water for cooking, cleaning, and sanitation too. Realistically, plan for 3 to 5 gallons per person daily. Good water containers range from $15 for 5-gallon jugs to $200 for larger tanks. But here's the key: rotation. Water doesn't go bad, but containers can develop algae or bacteria, so empty, clean, and refill every 6 months. Item 5. Solar-powered devices and a small solar panel. When the grid's down, your devices become paperweights without power. Start with solar essentials: a solar radio for emergency information, solar lanterns for light, and a solar power bank for charging phones. Then add a small 20 to 50 watt solar panel with a charge controller to keep larger devices running. The key is getting quality units that work in partial shade and cloudy conditions. Cheap solar gadgets fail when you need them most. Brands like Goal Zero, Renogy, or Battleborn make reliable systems. A basic solar setup runs $200 to $500. But think about it. Communication and information could be life-saving in an emergency. Plus, honestly, Many of these items are useful for camping and everyday preparedness. Number 6 might save your relationships, a way to hand wash clothes. When the power's out for weeks, dirty clothes become a health and morale issue. The simplest system is a clean toilet plunger and a 5-gallon bucket. Add water, soap, and clothes, then agitate with the plunger. It works surprisingly well. For a more sophisticated setup, consider a portable washing machine like the scrubber wash bag or a traditional washboard. These are designed for efficiency and won't destroy your clothes like improvised methods might. Clean clothes aren't just about comfort. They prevent skin infections, boost morale, and maintain some normalcy during stressful times. A washing system costs $20 to $100 and is worth every penny when you're living without modern conveniences. Item 7 is crucial, but often overlooked by male preppers: feminine hygiene supplies. This isn't optional for half the population. Stock up on pads, tampons, and consider reusable options like menstrual cups or cloth pads. These aren't just comfort items. They're health necessities that prevent infections and maintain dignity. Reusable options like the diver cup or cloth pads are smart, long-term investments. They last years, don't require restocking, and work when supply chains are disrupted. Also consider pain relief medications, as cramps don't stop for emergencies. This category is often forgotten by families with teenage daughters or women of childbearing age, but it's absolutely essential for complete preparedness. Finally, number 8, body wipes for when water is too precious for bathing. Personal hygiene doesn't stop during emergencies, but your water supply is limited. Quality body wipes let you stay clean using minimal water. Look for biodegradable, alcohol-free wipes that won't irritate skin with repeated use. Military-style body wipes or camping wipes are designed for this purpose. Don't just grab baby wipes. They're not formulated for adult skin or full-body cleaning. Get wipes specifically designed for no-water bathing. Maintaining hygiene prevents skin infections, boosts morale, and keeps you socially acceptable if you need to interact with neighbors or authorities. A case of good body wipes costs $30 to $50 and could last months with careful use. So there you have it, 8 essential items that maintain human dignity and health when modern conveniences fail. Notice these aren't glamorous tactical gear or expensive gadgets. They're practical necessities that keep you functional and healthy. The total cost for all 8 categories is probably less than 1 month of groceries, but they'll serve you through any extended emergency. These items address the daily realities of survival that most people don't want to think about. Remember, true preparedness isn't just about surviving, it's about maintaining your health, dignity, and sanity while you survive. Which of these items did you forget to include in your preps? Let me know in the comments below, and if this opened your eyes to some prep gaps, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical preparedness content. Until next time, stay prepared and stay human.